This is Jason from Blue Weather. If you like weather-related information, please like and subscribe below, and click on that bell over there so you get notifications when I post new videos. What I want to talk about today is more information on this weekend, looking more like an ice event than it would be a snow event. But one of the things I wanted to show you that has changed over the last couple of days. If you look at this GSF model from this time 2 days ago, you see the precipitation was shown moving into the area. This would be 1 a.m. Saturday, Friday night, whatever you want to look at, 1 a.m. Saturday morning. Uh, and you see the precipitation is a good bit into the area by that time. But you look at what this same model is saying, uh, 48 hours later, at 1 a.m. See how much further back it is from coming into the two Virginias. So what that does, you'll have less snow mix in with the ice, and obviously you'd probably have less ice because this is an overrunning system where you have a high pressure to the north pulling cold air down into the mountains with with precipitation running over the cold. And with it being delayed like this, that causes some of the cold air to be able to escape, uh, so you don't have as long of time period uh, to where you're under freezing temperatures as what you would if when we was looking at the models 2 days ago. But this is the current data, GSF model for 1 a.m. Saturday morning. This is 7 a.m. Saturday morning, and this is 1 p.m. Saturday. So somewhere in that time frame, from say around 4 or so in the morning uh, to daylight, and then through lunchtime, there is potential for freezing rain and sleet, maybe even some snowflakes. Maybe the first when it first comes into the area, it's just a mixed bag of precipitation, um, just in certain areas there. As you can see over towards Charleston, West Virginia, and west, it would. Uh, at that point of the day would just be plain old rain. Now, this here's the Canadian model. Now it has a little bit of moisture up front, uh, quicker than the GSF was showing, but this is 7 in the morning on Saturday morning, and you see a mixed bag of precip there, sleet, freezing rain, and snow. And same model, Canadian model, 1 p.m. Saturday. Some areas have already changed over to rain, but you see some areas, Greenbrier Valley, Shenandoah Valley, up through Pocahontas and up that way, probably still having frozen precipitation by 1 o'clock on Saturday, possibly. This is the one of the first short range models that we could use. Uh, it goes out 84 hours, and you see at the 78th hour, which would be 1 p.m. Saturday, it still shows some frozen precipitation into the area. Sleet and freezing rain, Greenbrier Valley, possibly Monroe County, Shenandoah Valley. Uh, it was showing some clear down to North Carolina border down that direction. Now is, this may or may not happen, but if there's some snow mixed in before the initial ice would move into the area, those areas here that you see in blue could possibly get could see some dustings on the ground, or uh, cars before the ice and stuff would mix in. I would say that nobody down here in this southern portion between the two Virginias would see more than an inch of precipitation unless you was really high terrain, and you guys know you guys know who you are, the real high snow belt that runs from Quinwood to Snowshoe uh, here in West Virginia. But for the most part, this is not about the snow. It's about the ice that could move in afterwards. Um, just wanted to give you guys a heads up, to kind of update this situation for you, and I'm sure I'll be doing another video by Thursday, more detailed, and we can start talking certain areas and maybe certain amounts and stuff like that. And who knows, the models could still change a little bit between now and the next couple of days. Um, you guys have a good one.